Why would this most advanced part of the brain be the part of the brain we humble in every rak'ah? There's a specific part of the brain that is associated with processing and regulating uncertainty. It's the prefrontal cortex, which is the very forefront of your brain. And I've talked about this before. This was a big part of the development of my heart over mind and ego method, and why I talk about leading from the heart and not from your mind. So amongst all the various parts in the brain, the prefrontal cortex is the part of the brain that helps us engage in high order cognitive function, the planning, the decision making, reasoning, processing uncertain situations. It's what allows us to also regulate our behavior. It's what allows us to control impulses, to make rational choices. So ultimately, it's designed to help us achieve our goals and work towards our goals. But like I said, this is also the part of our brain that if we don't know how to treat it, we will not be able to regulate our stress. We will not be able to regulate how we process things. We will not be able to regulate uncertainty or learn how to cope with uncertainty effectively. But what is really miraculous is that this is the part of the brain that is responsible for these high order cognitive functions. This execution center, we call it, differentiates us from animals, making us the most advanced beings. And yet this is the part of the brain that we humble to the ground at the end of every rak'ah. Why? Why would this most advanced part of the brain be the part of the brain we humble in every rak'ah? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is constantly reminding you who is in control. And that through humility and through humbling yourself and all the faculties Allah gave you, that is how you rise. That is how your heart rises. That is how you're able to align with your design. That is how you're truly able to function effectively in this world and face uncertainty and navigate this human experience where uncertainty is constant. But it's not a coincidence. Every time you humble yourself in sujood, you're remembering, I am not the one who's in full control. I am not the Lord of myself. I do not have to know everything. It is okay to not know. It is okay to have limited understanding. It's okay that I have a question today that might not be answered until a few months from now. It's okay I don't know where my solution is going to come from, when my dua is going to be answered. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I am in the hands of the one who does know. I am humbling this mind and placing it into the hands of the one who has supreme control, full power. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. There is no power or strength except by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.